Greetings, programs. Atari here, you there, and this is the 5 Freeway southbound here in beautiful, sunny Southern California. Headed southbound down to San Diego. My buddy John called me up. He says, "Hey, I heard you like the old computers, so I got a thing I wanted you to look at." So we're going to go see what he's got. Everywhere I look, something reminds me of her.
Hey, what's going on, Matt?
Hey, John, how are you?
Pretty good. Got here finally. How was the drive?
Yeah, traffic, that kind of a thing.
Southern California. Gotta get used to it.
Indeed.
Shall I show you some stuff?
Yeah, let's see what you got.
Right this way.
So this is my friend Jon Esparza. You're a maker and a cartoonist. What kind of stuff do you do?
Well, I do a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Obviously I like drawing. In my spare time, one of the things that I really like to do is I like to make these little masks.
They're kind of like a luchador mask kind of thing.
Not really. You wouldn't want to wear one of these in the ring. You probably wouldn't be able to see too well, but it's definitely a bit more Japanese inspired.
Well, you didn't call me all the way down to San Diego just to show me these masks.
I did not. I called you here to show you something that I know only you could make work again.
Okay, well, I'll take that as a credit. But sorry. So let's see what do you got?
Well, it's right behind you.
Oh my God! Holy crap, dude! How did you get this?
Well, my dad was a bit of a collector. He had a garage full of crap and, always was adding to it. And the story I was often told by him was that a friend needed some money and sold him this old Commodore computer. I don't even know what model or year it is, but we told him he was dumb for buying it because I think he gave the guy like $50 for this thing. And we're all like, "Dad, it's useless. This is 2000 and whatever. Why are you buying this old Commodore laptop computer?" And he was just like, "No, son, it's gonna be worth something someday." And I'm like, "No, it's not. You might get $1 or $2 from a museum if they're really that diehard about it. But no, you wasted money." But it was his way to always go against the grain. And now one day my brother and me were cleaning out his old stuff, and here's this laptop or this computer that we have no use for, and here we are.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, so this is an SX-64. The Commodore 64, the little bread bin, the brown one. This was actually, they called it the executive Commodore 64, and basically what it was, it's this portable. The idea was that you would have a portable unit that you could do like office work, word processing, spreadsheets, and things like that on. It was a direct competitor to like the Osborne, or IBM had a model that was similar at the time. I can't remember the particular number off the top of my head.
It was an early laptop, more or less.
More or less, yeah. It was a portable PC.
I don't think I'd want this thing on my lap.
No, that was the idea. You had the keyboard kind of came off and sat there on the front, and then the handle would actually adjust like that, and you could sit there and you would have the screen kind of pointed up at you. No, these things they're interesting, and it's kind of funny you're kind of naysaying your dad on these things. These actually, in good condition, will fetch quite a bit of money on eBay.
Really?
Yeah. Just because the whole retro computer scene is just thriving right now, and the whole market's distorted, just like retro gaming is right now.
You should probably wear gloves when you handle this stuff.
Yeah. So this is. Your dad kind of had the last laugh there, I think.
Well, that was always his way to get the last laugh. He was a bit of a prankster in his lifetime.
So I figure what we'll do is I'll take this back to the shop up in Orange County, and get it to, have you tried to turn it on or anything like that?
No, I don't have a spare D-plug lying around anywhere.
All right, so I'll try to get it powered up and see if it actually works, and give it a good cleaning. And obviously there's some parts that need to be replaced. We're missing some keycaps and things like that. And I'll try to get this thing cleaned up and in a better, more presentable museum quality condition, and we'll see what we get.
Well, I figured if anybody could do it, it'd be you. Let's try and prove my dad right, huh?
There you go.
All right.
Thank you very much, John.
Thank you, Matt.
All right. Want to go get some tacos?
Love the sound of that. At least goes.
All right.